Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make fried fish and potatoes. I'm also serving it with some salad. So it's a wholesome meal with protein, carbs and fiber. So please join me, let's start cooking. We need any kind of fish fillets. So that is ready. I'm having 4 pieces here. We also need some plain flour, 1 cup, and then another half a cup of plain flour, which I will explain to you later. Baking powder, black pepper, salt, mixed herbs and some lemon or lime. First I'm adding in half a cup of plain flour. To this I'm also adding in some baking powder, black pepper, half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, and half teaspoon of salt. Mix it nicely and keep it separately. To make the batter we need 1 cup of plain flour, again some baking powder, little bit of pepper and salt. Nicely first, and then add some water to make it into a thick batter. So first I'm going to dip the fillet in the plain flour, remove the excess flour, and then again dip it in the batter that we made earlier. Gently drop it in the hot oil. You can add 2 together. For the fried potatoes, we need potatoes. I already boiled it with some salt, and then also we need salt, handful of curry leaves, dry chillies, coriander seeds and some garlic. I'm going to add all this into the food processor and make it into a coarse powder. In the same oil, I'm just adding in the boiled potatoes. I'm going to check whether it's slightly brown in the bottom. It's okay. You just flip it 1 time.